Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cousin Chloe. I'm so excited to be here with you to introduce you to my favorite season, football season. Now, of course, with the pandemic and all that stuff happening right now, football season is going to look a little different. So I figured I would focus on my other favorite season, lipstick season? I don't know. Anyway, I love color. I love lipstick. So I figured I would show you some of my favorite fall lipstick. I'm also doing this video in collaboration with my good friend Kat James, who is on the Finding My Beautiful YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to organize, if you want to learn about fashion hauls and all that stuff, she is your girl. She has the most amazing closet. She knows all the things about organization, arranging your stuff super fabulously. She does these amazing hauls where she goes and she buys products and she tries them out. So if you're interested in something that's real lifestyle brand, she's your girl for it. She's been super supportive of me. She did a shout out for me on her channel. So if you're here with me because she sent you here, thanks so much for following. So y'all do me a favor, my followers, go and follow her channel. Again, she's got a lot of stuff. I will put the link in the description of this video of how to get to Kat's channel. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy watching me try on all 20 of these lipsticks.
So